This is a demo for a Google Sheets add-on called fb2sheet. And this is an add-on that allows users to import Facebook attribution data directly to Google Sheets. And for this add-on, the user first needs to authorize it with Google. This can be done through the settings here. And the user needs to provide these accesses for this add-on to work. So first, it needs to see, edit, create, and delete all Google Drive files, because it needs to, well, the add-on needs to first import the Facebook attribution source file into the user's Google Drive. From there, it needs to also see and edit spreadsheets in Google Drive, because the add-on needs to convert this Excel file that it imported into a spreadsheet, which is where the user will then see the data. It needs to connect to an external service, because Facebook attribution is an external service, and we are pulling this through an API. The application needs to run when the user is not present, because it needs to be scheduled, and the import needs to be scheduled in specific times. And finally, it needs to display and run third-party web content in prompts and sidebars, because this tool has a user interface that the user can use to specify the settings that are needed. And so when this authorization with Google is done, then the user can launch this UI here, and then authorize with Facebook, and then download the information that's needed from Facebook attribution.